Welcome back, everybody. I have this issue with my dad's truck. If it gets blown by a little bit of wind or anything, it slams right down. And this actually caused my dad to go to the emergency room to get some stitches because it came down on his head while he was working on it. So we're going to replace the hood struts today. So let's get started. We're just going to open up the hood and we'll go from there. This particular truck has tools under the hood, so I use one of the poles to prop up the hood so it doesn't fall on me. That's the strut we're going to be replacing. And to get started, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. And this is the strut we're replacing. We're doing both sides, left and right. And you're going to come up here to the top. There's a little metal clamp holding it on. You're going to pop that off. If you lose it, it doesn't matter. You're going to put new hardware on anyways. And then you're going to pull forward. It'll pop right out. And then you're going to come down to the bottom of the strut. Same thing right underneath the metal clamp here. You're going to pry up until it pops off. And once it's off, you can just toss this on the ground because it's junk anyways. And we're going to go grab the new hood strut. Here's the new one in the back of the Ranger. We're just going to take it over here. And we're going to do the bottom here first. Just get it in there as close as you can. And then you can lay it down. And then push on the top. It'll just pop right on. And now for this next part, you're going to have to adjust the hood a little bit. Because obviously you can see how this one's a new one, so it goes up a lot higher. So what I'm going to do is actually prop up the hood using the hood strut, and then use my hand to hold the hood up while I push this part on. And there you go, it's on there. Now I'm just testing it, making sure it's on there. That's not going to come off. And as you can see, it's on there good. And now we're going to do the other side, and we'll go to that point. So here's the other side all done. I got both sides done. As you can see, I can now pull this hood down quite a bit, and it's always just going to go right back up. You have to pull it down almost all the way for it to actually close now. I'm going to pull it down really far and see it still goes back up. And then as soon as I get it close, then it finally closes. So that fixed the issue. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all next time.